fencing. Okay. Okay, now look at this diagram and read this text over there and correlate it. Correlate that how fencing. Usually, the name fence. What do you call in Arabic? I don't know. Like a kind of barrier, kind of thing. Obstacle. Fence means like obstacle barrier. Usually, this word emerged for the cattle in a fields. You if you have visited the villages, so there is like a fence for cattle not to cross other fields because sometimes it makes a conflict over there. So similarly, in memory over there, to avoid the conflicts between different programs, we make a fence over there. We put some limitation or some barrier obstacle for it, that you will not cross this place over there. So for cattle we put a fence, but also for the files we put a fence in a memory over there. This is one of the simplest form of a memory protection over there, and it is very goodly used for buffer overflow. In the last chapter, we talk about the buffer overflow, that when the programs move to other pages of the memory, so that makes the buffer overflow problem for you. So this one is the simplest form of memory protections for that one, introduced in a single user operating system. So since we have multi-user operating system, it might not work properly, but in the single user operating system, it works better over there. Prevents a faulty user program from destroying the part of the resident portion of the operating system over there. It's the method to confine user to one side of the boundary, right? So you see, in the one side of the boundary, it confines over there. Very restrictive in the terms of the users and operating system spaces over there.